Hey everyone, it's Amber. So a while ago, we talked about how to create an AI news anchor channel. You know, the classic newsroom style where an AI avatar reads the headlines. But today, we're diving into something totally different, because real growth on YouTube doesn't come from just reading the news. It comes from creators like you and me who use AI to break down trends with our own perspective. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a creator-style AI news YouTube channel, from picking viral topics, to generating scripts in your own voice, to producing full AI clone videos using JoggAI. Pick topics that actually blow up. If your content is just AI reading headlines, it won't grow. What blows up are creator-driven topics, especially these four: major AI policies and controversies. Things like these kind of topics always trigger discussions. New AI model releases, instant search traffic, AI tool reviews. Everyone wants to know if it's good. How AI impacts jobs, careers, and business. Every day, just skim TechCrunch, Google News, X, Reddit, Hacker News. Then use Google Trends or Keyword Insights tools to check, is this topic rising? Are people searching for it? Is it likely to blow up? That's how you avoid wasting time on low-impact topics. Let AI write scripts in your personal style. This is the biggest cheat code in 2025. Most successful creator-style AI news channels do two things. They clone their on-screen identity. Your face, voice, expressions, all turned into an AI clone. You get a consistent creator persona without having to film yourself every time. They clone their writing plus storytelling style. Feed AI your old posts, your previous scripts, your social media tone, or samples you want to imitate, and it learns your pacing, your opinions, your structure, and eventually your delivery vibe. So once AI learns your tone, your pacing, and your thought process, you can transform any trending topic into a creator-style breakdown within minutes. Here's a quick example. You give AI this simple instruction, and thanks to your style training, AI will generate something like this. And just like that, you've got a clean, well-structured commentary script that sounds exactly like your voice. Produce your AI clone videos, your avatar doing the talking. Now, let's move into the part everyone cares about the most: actually producing your AI clone videos. A good AI news channel isn't just about the script, it's about delivery, accurate lip sync, natural camera cuts, real emotional expression, consistent pacing, and tone. And this is where a professional tool like JoggAI changes everything. AI has completely reshaped the way creators make content. But unlike a few years ago, you no longer need to learn complicated software or take a college-level editing class just to produce high-quality video. Here's how to make your AI clone from JoggAI. Use your own identity to make custom avatar. With JoggAI's custom avatar, all you need is a 2 to 3 minutes video of yourself. That's it. JoggAI learns your face, your expressions, your speaking style, and turns you into a full AI avatar. After that, you simply paste your script, click Generate, and your AI clone records the video for you. Every time. Same quality, same persona, same branding. Or stay anonymous, don't want to use your real face? Totally fine. JoggAI gives you a whole library of high-quality public avatars you can use instantly. No recording, no setup, nothing. Didn't find the perfect avatar you like? You can also generate one from a prompt like this. Just choose an avatar, drop in your content, click Generate, and done. You've got a clean, professional AI avatar video. It really is that simple.
Welcome back to AI News.
Expand your format. Don't just read the news. If you want your AI news channel to stand out, you can't stay in one lane. Diversify your format, and your content immediately feels richer, more dynamic, more you. Start with AI avatar video podcasts, a format that feels conversational instead of report-like. Use JoggAI plus Gemini 3 to script natural back-and-forth discussions. Add personality, add humor, add opinions. Suddenly, your news feels like a show. Then bring variety to the visuals. JoggAI comes with 3 podcast layouts, each designed to give your content a different vibe. More editorial, more casual, or more interview style depending on what you need. And don't stop there. Turn your research notes or slides into narrative content with PPT to avatar video. Just upload a PPT or PDF, and JoggAI automatically transforms it into a clean video walkthrough. Perfect for breakdowns, timelines, explainers, the kind of content viewers save. When you need supporting visuals, use the B-roll generator to automatically fill your video with contextual clips and motion shots. It instantly makes your content feel more produced, without actually doing more production. The more formats you introduce, the easier it is to escape the generic AI news channel vibe and build an identity people recognize. If you want to build a high-quality, high-output, and evergreen AI news channel, now is the best time. With the right tools, your own AI clone, and the right topic strategy, content creation stops being a bottleneck. It becomes a superpower. If you want more creator workflows and AI content tips, make sure to like this video and subscribe. I'm Amber, and I'll see you in the next one.